got a blockage. No, not that sort of blockage. Yep, welcome back to DADSKILLZ. Today, I am going to take you through unblocking this sink. It's been playing up for a while, and I thought it was something you can do at home. And I'm going to show you and take you through it. So I'm going to need this plunger. I'm going to need this, possibly, but I think we'll go through the whole lot just to show you what to do. Hopefully, you can see all right. Now this has been getting progressively worse. It's happened before. There's 4 people twice a day brushing their teeth, and all that sticky toothpaste is going down there, which isn't helping. So let's just have a look. It's trying, but it soon becomes overwhelmed, and then it starts going down there, which is connected to the waste anyway. So let's just see if it runs away.
One eternity later.
Right, okay, as you saw, that took ages. So, first of all, we're gonna plunge it, and I will do the whole thing anyway. I will take the U-bend out and have a look. But first of all, we'll plunge it and see what we get. So, it's not good enough on its own just to plunge it, because the air will be coming backwards and forwards out of this, and we want a vacuum. So I'm gonna put a plastic bag over there. I'm gonna put some water in there to form a better seal and a better vacuum. Now this thing, it would be great if this came off, but I've twisted it and pulled it and it doesn't come off, so it's gonna have to stay where it is. So I'm gonna put a bit of water in. To there maybe. Cover the hole up and give it a good vigorous plunging. And that's not actually too bad, but it is a constant problem, this, so I'm going to take the U-bend off and I'll take you through that. Right, okay, so this is probably the bit that's full of sludgy toothpaste and all sorts of hair and all sorts of stuff that gets stuck in there. So I've got to be really careful that I don't accidentally knock the tap up here, which is really easy to do. So luckily enough, I have these valves here that I will turn off the water, because obviously if I knock the tap, with any water in there, no water in there. If I knock the tap with this off, then it's all going to go on the floor. So there will be a small amount of water in here, so I will put this down for you. Now, how tight are these? Oh, it's a little help, possibly. There's some patches that you can get into them. Cool, not so bad at all. I think I've taken this off in the past, actually. There's that little bit of water, which I shall turn around and get rid of. Yeah. That was particularly gross. Right, let me see in there. It's actually not too bad, really. I think my plunging might have done it, and I have had this off probably a month ago and had a look. So I'm just going to go and clean that, and I will be back.
A few moments later.
I'll give it a little rinse out. It's not too bad, is it? So let's put that back on. Making sure that we've still got our seal there, that doesn't drop off. And there's a seal inside that one as well. Now, these are things that you can do yourself if you're confident. Admittedly, this is a very simple setup. The waste is literally up here and then it goes straight outside. If you've got something really old and ancient, you might be opening up a can of worms by starting doing stuff yourself if you're not confident at doing it. So you might have to get someone in, and if they're very, very kind, get them to talk you through it, what they're doing. I should hold this right so I don't bend it. Okay, that's back on. Water back on. So with it all back together, and the water turned back on, we'll give it a go, and we are checking for leaks here, just in case, so I will dry it off. Tissue is excellent for this, they're really absorbent, it gets rid of everything. Right, there's no leaks on that at all. And I'll run in some water. Right, we'll stop that and just let it all drain away. Anything? No, I think they're all right, you know. Just run a bit more in. No, we're all good. Excellent, so that's another thing sorted. Over the next couple of days, don't forget about it totally. Just over the next coming days, let's put you up picture. Yeah, so over the next coming days, don't forget about it totally. So you're running away quite nicely there. Don't forget about it totally, come back and have a look. And if it's okay after a couple of days, you've sorted it. So, thanks for coming back to DADSKILLZ. I hope that's helped someone, and with just very few basic rudimentary tools, we've unblocked our waste on our sink, which is excellent. Remember, if you need any help, ask. It's just a case of gaining your confidence in doing these things, and then you can go on to tackle bigger jobs. But remember, here at DADSKILLZ, we believe in you and we know you can do it. Till next time, see you soon.